Welcome to a world filled with vibrant colors and captivating beauty. In this video, we embark on a journey to explore the mesmerizing realm of colorful birds. From the majestic splendor of these birds to their delicate grace, each bird showcases its unique palette of hues. Join us as we witness their graceful flights, hear the enchanting melodies, and marvel at nature's living artwork. Get ready to be amazed by the kaleidoscope of colors that adorn these magnificent creatures. Sit back, relax, and let the beauty of these birds transport you to a world of wonder. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of colorful birds. We hope you are inspired by the vibrant plumage, graceful flights, and enchanting melodies of these magnificent creatures. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more captivating content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on the wonders of nature. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and become a part of our community of nature enthusiasts. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the beauty of our feathered friends. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue our exploration of the avian wonders that grace our planet. Until then, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep marveling at the beauty of nature. Thank you for your support.